What do you reckon of them, eh? Look at that big, eh? Oi, oi.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Moss. As you already know, I cook on the channel for you guys. So, on the menu for you, I'm gonna be making chicken and broccoli, sorry about that, broccoli wrap. Did I just spit there? Where was I? Chicken and broccoli wrap, that's right. But before I go any further and spit and so on, mumble my words, do me a favour, subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar, follow me on Instagram MosToosifar as well, and let's begin the show. Right, here we have 3 pieces of chicken which we need to marinate, and we've got our bowl here. What we're going to need, the starter pack, is only a little bit of olive oil. Okay, that will do. Then what you want to do is garnish it. You want to marinate it with what? Some black pepper. Of course, a little bit of salt. Okay. A little bit of turmeric. Okay. A little bit of sunshine, saffron, that gold dust. Okay. And you want to put some paprika in there and all. Alright? Get it in there. Come on, hurry up, ain't all day. Right. And then you just want to mix it. Mix it all up. See it? Lovely. Beautiful, isn't it? Nice and simple, eh? There's that. Okay. Now, what you want to do is dip. Oh, a bit wet. Dip it in there. Dip that in there and all. And finally, this, the third one. We're going to leave that there. Let it marinate on this side for a couple of minutes. Turn it over. Marinate on both sides, and then we're going to cook it. Give me a minute. Right, as we wait for that to marinate on one side, what we're going to do, chop up the broccoli, right? Now, you may not need the whole thing, but I'm going to use it anyway for future, for later on. Yeah, so you just want to get those bits out, get off, hurry up, get off, let go. Get rid of that. There you have it. Small little broccoli. Alright. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a few minutes. Now it's time to flip them over. Right. Flip it over. Let it marinate for a little bit longer that way. So guys, here I've got the broccoli. Just watch it, watch the green come back to life as I pour water in this. And I don't know why my kettle is leaking from the other side. It doesn't make any sense to me. Can someone explain to me? Oh God. I'm not even going to turn it on. I'm just going to leave it there for 3 minutes. Guys, just have a look how beautiful, how green that is. You probably can't tell by the camera, but in life, amazing. I'm going to leave it as it is for 3 minutes. I'm not even going to turn it on or anything. Leave it in the boiling water just from the kettle. 3 minutes, drain it, it's ready. Okay, as this does its thing, all I'm going to do is get our chicken. Got the heat on. Let it, you know, heat up a little bit. And what you want to do, get a good grip. Turn it around, make sure it's all, you know, it's there. It's definitely marinated, got the colours and everything. And then you want to pick up this bad boy, chuck it on there, pattern it out, let it do its thing, and so on. And one more. There you go. Let it heat up, let it do its thing. Right, look at that. It's only the first side, this side's still raw, okay? Have a look at that. Time to flip them over, I reckon. Whoa, look at that. Go on, have some of that. Go on. That's looking lovely, right? Tell me that don't look good. Just push it down a little bit. Go on. Oh, be careful, don't get excited. Yeah. What do you reckon of them, eh? Look at that view, eh? Oi, oi. Lovely jubbly, I say, if you ask me, mate. Right, as you can see, our chickens are done pretty well. So I'm just gonna switch it off and move on to the next stage. Give me a moment. What you need is quite simply one of these. Take it off the heat. Get all the excess oil out. Get rid of that. Okay. So what you need to do now is get your chicken. As it's hot, you want to just dice it. Chop up into little pieces. Okay. This one didn't go to plan anyway. So now what you want to do, move this over. You want to get your pan, place it there, put the heat back on. Meanwhile, this is what we got. So you got your bread, okay? You got a bit of sour cream. Nicely in the middle there, a little bit more. Give it another dollop, okay? There you go, just like a pizza, but this is a wrap. Right? And then just put little bits of chicken in, not too many because obviously we're going to wrap this up, so we need the space. Okay, just maybe squeeze just a little bit more chicken in there, that's fine. Okay, and then we've got our broccoli here. You just want to get small bits, the little ones. Don't worry about the noises it's making, I just washed it, so it's the water that's drying out. Right, there's that. And then I've got some cheddar cheese, cheddar cheese. Just sprinkle it all on top, just like so, a little bit more. Voila. Now you just want to simply roll it up, if I can. Never works for me, I don't understand why. I don't know how people in these shops, they make the wraps. Anyway, there's that. That's as best as I can get it. Put it in the pan, give it a little push down, wash your hands. Right, let the heat get to it, toast the bread, right? Just keep checking on it, make sure it doesn't burn or anything. We're good. It's getting toasty. Right, let that go on for a little bit, and yeah, we're almost there, guys. Almost. Let me get rid of that. Okay, we're just gonna get in here. Have a look. Look at that. Just flip it over. Same thing. Hold it in place. Push it down a little bit. We've got that prepared there earlier. I think, yeah, we're good. all you need to do is take it off with the help of the knife. Crunch it down, squish down the middle, cut it down the middle. Happy days. Have a look inside that, ladies and gentlemen. Can you guys see? Right? Place it all on top. Place one there. Place another one there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your chicken broccoli wrap. Bon appetit, enjoy, nice and healthy. The only downside to it is obviously the cheddar cheese, and I added some olive oil, but olive oil is not bad. It's quite, you know, it's reasonably healthy for you, so you need it, it's good. And with a salad, of course. Bon appetit. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. See you next time.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up